Hello traders, FpC&x here. Today is Friday, October 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the dollar yen monthly, I still think this looks like a big 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're in a wave 5, which I still think is going to go all the way up to this 157.5 area, right around the 61.8. So let's head down to that weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I mean, to me, I still think this is a wave 3 and this is an ABC of 4. I still think this is a 1 and a 2. I still believe that we're in a wave 3, which has still got a long ways to go to the upside. Probably a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5. This should be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 5 according to the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Now we do have non-farm payroll news today, and that U.S. dollar yen is actually one of the dollar pairs that kind of makes me think that the dollar may just keep on trending up. It really is not even close to a fib level. There's no reason to think this trend is over. It looks like a 1-2 and we're in the middle of a 3. So I am definitely still primarily looking for longs on this unless we get a big huge move to the downside. I am definitely still primarily a buyer looking for longs at the end of ABC corrections on the shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, I am actually looking at this as possibly being an A, B, and C correction. That could definitely be the end of a correction right there already. I was thinking that today's news for the dollar would initially cause this to go up, but I was thinking it could even make a spike reversal. So the spike reversal is a very common pattern for the non-farm payroll news, so we really do have to be careful for that. But according to the higher time frames, the trend is up, and it very easily could just continue the trend up. Unless I get a big move to the downside with a big break of structure, I am for sure still a buyer on the shorter time frames. So if this does make an impulsive move down at the news and it starts breaking structure, then I would definitely, look at this as maybe, making a bigger pattern, like this is an A and maybe there's like a B in here someplace, and maybe it's going to go down and make a wave C like that. That definitely is a very likely scenario. According to the higher time frames, there's any moves that we see to the downside should be corrections. That's why I'm saying that there probably would be an ABC if it does make a move to the downside. But just as easy as that could happen, I could definitely picture this just continuing up like that at the non-farm payroll news today. So definitely be careful. The US dollar yen is one of the pairs that makes me think that the dollar could just keep on trending up today at the non-farm payroll news. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.